Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to diagnose whether your battery in your car is bad or if it is your alternator. So I've got a battery tester installed on some remote battery terminals here because the battery's down in your driver's side wheel well here. So it looks like we've got 11.65 volts at the battery. And then with a multimeter here, I've got one of the probes just connected to that. Now we're going to take the other end. And down here on the alternator, be careful. You're going to stay on the right side. Keep away from the belt. And we're just going to touch that to it. Free cable here. Try to get it on the threads. And that is our voltage coming out. We want that between 13 and 15. And it's not. So that would be a bad alternator in this case. I'll have a link in the description to the tools I use so that you guys can pick these up to start working yourselves. Alright, now as you can see with the new alternator, we've got much higher voltage both at the battery and the connector down here to our alternator. We are now charging at 14.9 volts.